Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everyone knows that this is a Masjidil Haram, which is the place for all Muslims to perform Umrah and Hajj. This is a Kaabah, which is used as a direction of the Kiblat. We as human beings have perfect vision and hearing. We know the direction of the Qibla by using the compass. But what about those who are imperfect to see and hear, or those who are old to find the direction of the Qibla? Inshallah, my project will be able to contain this problem. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Irman bin Abdul Mubin. I am from Faculty of Electrical Engineering. My course is DEK 2/2. My supervisor is Dr. Aida Fazana binti Abdul Qadir. My project is Smart Kiblat Finder, or I call it IR Compass. This is the shape of my project, which is an arrow to make it easier for user to show the direction. This is the view from the project side. This is the view from the top of the project. This is an objective and scope of the project. The objective about this project is number 1, to increase the ability of handicapped and elderly. Number 2, to shorten the time taken to find the Qibla. Number 3, to help the disabled people independent to run their daily routine. Scope of the project is, this project is a combination of a few components like Arduino, processor which is SMC5A3N, resistor, LED, LCD, motor and buzzer. Each device provides a specific function in order to achieve the objective of IR compass, which show a right reading of the direction of Qibla. First, the circuit uses a SMC5A3N to detect the accurate latitude and longitude of each direction. When the user starts moving the compass, the magnetic compass will work and get a direction of Qibla that have been coded in Arduino. Then the buzzer, LED and LCD, also motor will work. The output are absolutely help the deaf and blind people to alert about the direction of Qibla by beeping sound, vibration and lighting. There were limitations of this IR compass is only cover the degree of Qibla in Malaysia, and the desired degree will detect in range of 291 and until 293 degrees. This is because JAKIM, which is Jabatan Kemajuan Islam Malaysia, has issued the statement that the value of azimuth Qibla in Malaysia is between 291 and 293 degrees. This is the flowchart for this project. What we can see here is that when the switch is on, the LCD will be on, and at the same time it will show an angle in that direction and will also show searching. When the user rotate the project, and LCD show that the angle between 291 and 293 degree, searching will change to Qiblat, and at the same time the LED, buzzer and motor will turn on. When the switch is off, everything will turn off. Let's take a look at this project tutorial. Well, this is a live view of the project. At the top we can see the LCD and LED. On the back has a hint to open, to look inside, like this. Okay, we can see this project is use an Arduino, a 9V battery supply, use a compass sensor to detect angles, this motor to produce a vibration, and this is buzzer for beeping sound. This LED for emitter light, and LCD as a display. On the side, this is a switch for the project, to turn on and turn off. Okay. This is an application that show the direction of the Kiblat using a smartphone. Okay. This is the direction of Kiblat. So I'll put here. Okay. When I turn on the switch, LCD will highlight the angle in this direction. When I turn this project around, we can see the angle will change. Okay. When this arrow show the direction of the Kiblat, we can see the LED is on. We can hear the sound of the buzzer. So this help as a blind person find direction of the Kiblat. At the same time, the motor will produce a vibration. So he help like the diff that the Kiblat direction has been found. So when I turn around, LED, buzzer and motor will turn off. Okay. When I turn off this project, all component will turn off. That's all for the tutorial to using this project. Okay. From this final year project, there were several of problems that have been crossed in order to make it success beautifully as planned. Firstly, this IR Compass project used the HMC5A83L as a main input, but this device have not contained in the Proteus 8.1 professional software. Therefore, the discussion occurred and finally decide to replace the component with the connector 4 pins that same goes to the HMC5A83L specification. This replacement are obviously help this project when it go to the PCB implementation. The software simulation could not be run at all because of a lacking component. It is not otherwise except the hardware simulation and troubleshooting process is disturbed. Besides, the utilizing of IC to buses from HMC5A83L and LCD made the connection more simple, but it have a very complicated coding when it goes to Arduino software. For me, this project is very safe to use. This is because we can see this project using the prospect as a case. So, it is a lightweight material to hold. Indirectly, if the project failed to user fit, for example, user will not suffer serious injury. That's number one. Number two, we can also see that when the project case is closed like this, there is no space around the project. So, when water spills on this project, for example, it will not enter into the inside and the component will be safe. In a nutshell, world is love to see the greatness in creativity and new discovery of the human. This IR Compass project have assured that the good communication, consideration and be humble might have in effort to grab the success project. This innovation of the IR Compass may give a lot of benefit to special people like handicapped and elderly to be an independent to run their personal routine. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.